Hello, I saw your question here. Use the provide a random number table. So you got to click on there, and I've already brought it up here, as you can see. The president closed his eyes and dropped his pen in the table. If he points to row 3, column 6, use this position as starting position and proceed downward, determining who the members will be from the sample. And so we're going to choose 9 faculty, and there's 88, so it's going to be 2-digit numbers. 88's 2 digits. And so we want to start in the 3rd row, and this is row 1, row 2, and row 3. So this is row 3 across there. Then we want column 6, and the columns run down. Here's the first 5. They just provide a space for readability. Here's the 6th column. And so right here, let me change to blue here. That 99 there, trying to circle that 99. That 99 is would be what we're looking for here. So row 3, column 6, at 9, we got to do 2 digits. So 99 would be the first number we would look at, and we go down. Okay, and so let me write down the numbers here. So 99 would be the first number. The next number would be 82, 64, and then 98. Those would be the first numbers. So 99, then 82, 64, and then 98. And we're at the bottom. So what do? Well, you go back up to the top and you start in the next column here. So it'll be 24, 19, 83. Let me write those down. 24, 19, 83, 65. So you just go, you come up here, it's 24, 19, 83, 65, 97, 55. Then you'd come back up to the top. You'd have to straddle the 2 columns here. It'd be 61, 44, 70, 93. And you just continue in that pattern. We need 9 numbers, 9 faculty member, and 80, from 1 to 88. Some of these numbers are bigger than 88. If your number's bigger than 88, then you just need to throw it out. So 99's bigger than 88. 98. So we'd have to throw out those 2 numbers. So our first number here would be 82, first faculty number. Next would be 64, then 24, 19, 83, 65. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'd be the first 6. And then you continue until you have 9 of them. And you want to type these in with a comma. So you type in 82, comma, 64, comma, 24, comma, 19, comma, etc., until you have 9 numbers typed in here. Hope this helps.